So in this problem, they're telling us determine the oxidation state of phosphorus and phosphoric acid. So let's first see this compound from a different point of view in order to solve. So let's just write it again, which is H3 plus phosphorus and 4 oxygens. Now we know that hydrogen, because it's on the left side, has a charge of +1. Will always have a charge of +1, and because it has a subscript of 3, it will multiply it 3 times. So it would be 1 times 3 times. Now here we're going to write like a math problem. So phosphorus, because we're looking for it and we don't know its value, let's just label it as x. So we're solving for x. So it's 1 times 3 plus x. And now oxygen, on the other hand, we also know it has a default value of -2, and because it has a subscript of 4, it will multiply 4 times. So it's going to be -2 times 4. And now, because the compound doesn't have a negative or positive value here, we know it's neutral, so it has a 0 value. If it had a value of -1 or +1, we would have to write a sign of +1 or -1 on this side. But in this case, it has a neutral zone because it doesn't have any number there, so it's 0. Now that we have our formula like a math problem, let's just simply solve for x. So 1 times 3 comes out to be 3, and plus x, and then -2 times 4 comes out to be -8. And we have 0, so let's just send the x to the other side, which is going to be x equals -8 plus 3, and we'll simply just solve those two, and this will come out to be, this actually comes out to be +8, I'm sorry, this is actually -3, and this actually comes out to be +5. So our phosphorus has an oxidation state of 5. Final answer.